Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. Justin's Morse where everything starts streaming. In today's video is, hope you enjoyed actually the Majestics video and all that. Let me know in the comment what your favorite car was and everything. But in today's video here, I remember in the previous two videos ago I was mentioning that I was ordering some new equipment using e-vouchers to buy some new stuff for the channel and everything like that. So I ordered it, brought it, it showed up. Except for one piece it didn't show up, but I will get that till I think next week or something. It's the one that attaches to the racing helmet and everything. But yeah, here, see, box, unopened, box for this, and the camera's in this box as well. So yeah, we'll go open it up and all that. And there's a kitty in the way. Yeah. Hi. Here's the camera. Yeah. So we're gonna open it up. Move your tail out of the way. Yeah, she likes. Oh no, she's just blocking the camera. All right. Oh, now you're gonna fall over. Oh, don't mind. Well, that's my ice machine making some noise and stuff like that. So yeah. Well, yeah. See this, Warren? This is you. And I have a little blade showing out. I didn't have the full blade out this time. Just letting you know. Cut beef away from you. Like I said, my ice machine is making ice and everything like that. So, all right, let's see what we got in here. Yeah, let's see. Huh? Oh, this has some weight to it. So this is a flat surface, seam fluid. Of course, we didn't try to touch this. So we'll go that. Kitty's having her allergy reaction here, as you can hear her just sneezing away. I mean, you know. Gets excited and then she gets like that. Yeah, so this is this new so this is the suction cup that I got here. So this will build a clamp on the car, and then it has this pump, which is really cool. So this is going to stay on the car and everything like that, or on the windshield and that. So it comes with not even that for my phone. To do that with my phone. Here's one for the new camera too, like a Pro and all that. You can see that. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all in, and this is, let's see what this is in here. Well, get to test some of this stuff in another video. See what we got here. Oh yeah, here we go. This is where I can mount whatever. So here's the little mount here for it, so I can adjust it, have it in here, or yeah. So this is going to be pretty cool, actually. I think it's really cool, and that. Well, it's pretty cool that I bought this, and yeah, can't wait to test this out. Well, that's that box, so that's awesome. So this is I'm gonna wait to test this. This is really gonna change the game, especially if I'm driving in that, and you guys get to see some better views of inside the car. So that up there. What else we got in this box here? Let's see here. Let me see, kitty. Oh, let's see. Mobile phone lens kit. So this here is going to be set for. So I bought the kit for all of this here. So this is the lens kit for my phone. So I'll be able to test that out too. Maybe there might be some wheeling on Wednesday, but there we go. I don't know why it's on the. Why I look backwards on the camera. It's weird. So yeah, these are all the different adapters, I guess, lenses for the car, or the here. Oh wow, oh, it's a mini tripod. But here's the clips. Oh yeah, so these are the different lenses. So this is the lenses in here. So there's all different types of lenses in that. So I'm gonna see what these are like, test these at a few events and all that. So you're going to see a lot of testing with the phone and all this with these different lenses and all that. I'll have to look at the instruction manual with all the different types of lenses here. Yeah, let's see. Where's the mobile phone? Oh yeah, there's quite a bit in here. Yeah, so this is pretty much everything I get. in here. And another tripod, which is, this mini tripod's pretty cool too. You never have enough tripods around, especially content creating. You never have enough tripods. You always have enough tripods. At least I got my tall one. Got the little guy here, a little heavier. A lighter one for that. Hi, Peachy. I know you're blocking the camera. Come on, we'll move over there. You're blocking the camera. All right. Yes, you're just watching. And you're sniffing things out. Cool. So yeah, so that's this. This guy. Mobile lens. So we'll be testing these out here and just see. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by any of these or anything like this. I just bought some good products and test them out and all that because I kind of really wanted to take the channel to the next level, and upgrading my equipment is the most ideal thing here. Let's see this thing. Same thing, has a similar to the GoPro kind of thing here. Like this sits here, and this is a neck, mount. So I'll wear this around my neck. So when I'm driving and everything, you can actually see when I'm driving, so you'll be able to see like the speedometer and the road ahead and everything. So it's going to help make the night drives good. Going to the gas station, filling up, be able to see good views of that. Going to the convenience store, buying junk food and stuff. So you'll be able to see all that kind of like the night car life and that. So this is going to make a big difference too of when I do driving and stuff like that. So this would be pretty cool action cam neck mount. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Then all that, put all that back in here. And we'll put that all back in. Put that on the ground. And yes, you still see kitties in the film. Hey, baby, baby. Alright, so this is the box that should have the camera in it. So, this is the camera I bought. It's not a GoPro, but it's the Asakio. Why is this thing back? Like, why am I backwards? Like, it doesn't make sense how I'm backwards. This doesn't make sense on the camera. Oh, yes. So, hi. Yeah. Want to be part of the camera too? Well, get your butt out of the camera. No one needs to see your butt in the camera. Yeah. No one needs to see your butt. There you go. There you go. So yeah, I got the Asazio Action Cam. This is Brave 7. So it looks backwards on the camera. I look like I'm backwards or something like that. This is nuts how that, well, I look backwards. But hopefully maybe in the actual video that would actually show it not backwards. But I'm going like if you look at a rear view mirror, that's when you actually see that it's the right way and all that. And kitties. Alright, so yeah. Likes the shit. So let's open this bad boy up. She's making her way closer to me, I guess, but yeah. Oh. At least that's good packaging. Or did I even cut it? Hi. At least it seals really good. Ow. That's a good seal there. So yeah, there's the inside the box. Got the camera. Instruction. Got the card. 256. I get 16 hours of filming. Nice. Oh yeah, this is the remote, which is pretty cool too, so I can activate that on the remote. Oh, we got a couple of batteries in here. Charging cord. Lots of different parts I can use and everything, which is pretty cool. And yeah, all different mounts and everything here, so that's pretty cool. When you're playing with my knife, yeah, that's smart. Let me play with that. What else we got in here? Yeah, so it's all different, like little connectors and everything that we can use in that. So yeah, can't wait to try this bad boy out. Try out a few things here. Probably gonna have to charge up the batteries, maybe. Oh, there's the battery chargers. Yeah, so this is it comes with the case, waterproof casing, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, here it is. Yeah, so it's called Azazio Brave 7LE. So we'll see how this works, because you know, it's about half of the price of a GoPro, probably, give or take. But yeah, similar to one. So yeah, I'll end this video here. When you guys enjoy this, so I haven't done one of these unboxing videos in a while here, and you got some entertainment from my kitty here, Teetsy. Yes, there she is. Yep. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in next video. Next video is going to be most likely testing this and going on the adventures of finding Mr. Pibb, because I heard Mr. Pibb is available in a certain grocery store. So I'm going to go out and look for that. I even did I have a little short video already filmed already about the adventures. That was epic fail, but I found a clue. I found a clue in that video. Found a clue where I could find Mr. Pibb in Regina. So you stay tuned for that while I'm going on the adventures. Mr. Pibb testing the new equipment. Bye-bye. Peace.